Question number 5 is an organization selected 2400 families. So here this we can consider as total number of families are 2400 at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in the family. So in this table two data has been given, income level and number of vehicles in a family. Okay. So now suppose family is chosen, so find the probability that the family chosen is. 5 sub questions are given. So we'll take one by one here. First one is family is earning rupees between 10,000 to 13,000 per month. Okay, so salary condition is this and owning exactly two vehicles. So here we should check table. Now, this range of the salary or income we can check here. This is 10,000 between 10,000 to 13,000. Okay. And exactly two vehicles. So here see vehicles per family. So 0, 1, 2 and above 2 are given. But we want exactly 2. So exactly 2 and in front of this how many vehicles are there? How many families have vehicles 2 and having monthly income between 10,000 to 13,000, total 29 families out of 2,400. So how will we write answer for this? We will write number of total families surveyed 2,400 and number of families earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly two vehicle is 29. So probability will be number of families divided by total number of families, isn't it? That will be 29 by 200, 2,400. Okay. Now next question we'll consider here. Earning rupees 16,000 or more. So what is the condition on income? 16,000 or more and owning exactly one vehicle. So again consider the table. 16,000 or more monthly income you can see in last observation, last entry, last row we can say. Okay. And now here vehicles per family is given 0, 1, 2, above 2. But we want exactly one vehicle. So exactly one means how many families? 579. Okay. So answer how we can write? Total number of families 2,400. Okay, and number of families earning 16,000 or more and having one vehicle, exactly one vehicle are 579. So probability will be 579 divided by 2,400. Now let us solve third example, third question. Question is earning less than 7,000. So here condition on monthly income is less than 7,000. Does not own any vehicle. So this we can treat as having zero vehicle or no vehicle. So again we have to check from the given table which is given in question. Okay. So first we'll check less than 7,000. Where is less than 7,000? In first observation, isn't it? Now vehicles per family 0, 1, 2 and above 2. But what we want does not own any vehicle means zero vehicle. So zero vehicle means this entry. How many families have income less than 7,000 and no vehicle? 10 families. So we will write total number of families 2,400. Then number of families earning less than 7,000 does not own any vehicle 10. So probability will be 10 by 2,400 simplified to get 1 by 240. Now let us solve next question. Earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month. This condition on monthly income and owning more than two vehicles. Okay, these two conditions we should check in the table again. 13,000 and 16,000, if you observe, it is fourth observation, isn't it? And more than two vehicle means above two. So in front of this 13,000, 16,000, above 2 means you can write 25. Okay. So we will write total number of families 2,400 and number of families earning 13,000 to 16,000 and owning more than two vehicle equals to 25. So probability will be 25 by 2,400. We can simplify it to get 1 by 96. Now next one, not more than one vehicle. See, here condition is not given on income. Only about vehicle is mentioned, that family should not have more than one vehicle. So again we'll check table, not more than one vehicle. That means one vehicle or no vehicle we can consider here. So what we will write here, see, number of families owning zero vehicle means these all entries will come. We have to add these entries, plus number of families owning one vehicle means these entry, because it is given that not more than one vehicle. So these two column will not come here. Only first two column entries we should add. So after addition we will get 2062. So probability will be, probability of owning not more than one vehicle will be 2000 and 2062 divided by 2400, which will give, after simplification, 1031 and 1000 divided by 1200.